In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about intersecting chords and tangents. At first, here in this example, we have two chords intersecting inside a circle. Starting off with the first rule that we need to consider when we have two chords intersecting inside a circle, at first, you have this rule, AP times PB is equal to CP times PD. Now, taking a closer look at the diagram, you can see that the product of AP and PB is equal to the product of CP and PD. Now, that is the first rule that you need to keep in mind once you're working with two chords intersecting inside a circle. Another one is angle APD equal to the opposite angle BPC, and that is because they are considered as vertically opposite angles. Now, moving on to the third rule, we have angle CDA equal to the angle CBA. And that is, of course, following the rule angles in the same segment, which is the chord AC. And so these angles are to be considered equal with respect to the rule that we have just mentioned. And of course, we have BAD and BCD as well, since they are also angles in the same segment for the chord. Now, some more rules that we can discuss in such case are APB and CPB being similar. Now, after mentioning that those angles above are equal to each other, you can now conclude that APD and the other one, CPB, to be similar. And that is because we have mentioned that they have angle equal to each other. And since we have AAA, they are to be considered similar triangles, as we have mentioned previously. So, AP over CP is equal to PD over PB. Now, writing the fraction, at first, you have these two fractions equal to each other. Now, once we do cross multiplication, you would actually reach AP times PB equal to CP times PD. And that is following the first rule that we have just mentioned at the very beginning of this tutorial. Now, that would be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.